Hello everyone, and welcome to another tutorial on our channel. Today, I'm going to show you different methods to charge your GoPro Hero 11 Black. Whether you're at home outdoors or on the go, we've got you covered. Let's get started. The most common way to charge your GoPro is with the USB-C cable that comes with it. First, locate the USB-C port on your GoPro under the side door. Open it, plug in the USB-C end of the cable, and plug the other end into a USB charger or a computer USB port. A red LED light will turn on to indicate charging, turning off when fully charged. Another method is using an external battery charger. Remove the battery from your GoPro. Place the battery into the external charger. Connect the charger to power source using a USB cable. The charger usually has an indicator light to show charging status. For charging on the go, a power bank is a great option. Connect your GoPro to the power bank using the USB-C cable. Ensure the power bank is charged and switched on. The GoPro will start charging immediately, as indicated by the red LED light. And that's it. These are the different ways you can charge your GoPro Hero 11 Black. Remember to keep your GoPro charged, especially before big adventures, so you never miss capturing those incredible moments. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips. Have any questions? Or is there a specific tutorial you'd like to see? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching.